What's up, gang? Listen, we are getting very, very close to a very big inflection point in the price of ICP. We've got some big things coming out over the coming month. However, we do need to navigate the pumps and dumps together. So before we do start, you guys know what to do. Like up the video, subscribe if you're new. Let's get it. All right, guys, very cool ICP chart coming at the end of the video that all of you guys need to add to your trading view. You need to be tracking these things, guys. But another thing you need to be tracking are the events that are coming up. Now, they're proud to support the Crypto Valley Conference 2025 in Switzerland. Don't miss out on Dom's keynote. The future of tech is self-writing. We already know what that's going to be about, guys. Going to be about Caffeine AI. We mentioned this in the previous video that on June 5th and 6th, he's going to be, I think, demoing Caffeine AI, which is going to be really, really cool. You couple it with things like this and you look at a chart and you think, do I really want to buy down there? But that's why we have to look at it holistically, right? We don't just invest in something based on price. You don't just invest in something because the price has pumped up 10x over the past 10 weeks, so it must be a great project, right? We need to be investing in fundamentally sound projects at their lows. And guys, I'm going to be picking up a big bag of ICP over the coming week, guys. Okay, so again, I'm still like, I think I'm an octopus. Wait, no, I'm not an octopus. Let's go check it out. Okay, so I am officially an ICP dolphin, right? And I want to be a big dolphin. What are you guys? You haven't got to tell me exactly how much you do hold, but we have got a decent amount of ICP now. I think anything over, I mean, even if you guys have like 100 ICP, you're doing really, really well. I know everyone has different amounts of money to invest, but yeah, we're trying to make our way up. We make all these ICP videos. We can't be, you know, shrimps and planktons, guys. And especially if you're in the ICP community, you know, you're liking the videos. I see a lot of you guys, you watch everybody's videos. We need to be trying to get our stack up. A lot of you guys are doing that through staking as well, right? And something that does make me a lot more, well, something that makes my mind at ease that I should be picking up more ICP is you just look at things like the fundamentals, guys, and how much revenue are they generating. I mean, you look at ICP compared to AVAX. I have a big bag of AVAX as well, right? We diversified. ICP is generating 3x more revenue. However, so much lower market cap. It's a famous Warren Buffett quote: the price is not the stock is not the price. But what you need to do is you need to just look behind the scenes and see, right, is it undervalued? Are we overvalued? And right now, fundamentally, ICP is undervalued. And we're going to get into a point where we're super bullish and everything for ICP is coming out, right? Everything starts to pump. All of our predictions come correct. But it's important that we take profits, guys, because we don't want to end up like James Lose, previously known as James Win. He was up 80 mil and he's lost it all in the past week. Many of you guys would have known that. But look, guys, why am I thinking to unload or offload my USD into ICP over the coming weeks? I mean, you look at the log scale on the ICP USD pair. This is on Coinbase. Then you can see we're coming up to a very key level of resistance. Last time we hit here, guys, we rejected, printed a higher low, rejected, printed a higher low. There's only so many times we're going to reject out of here, guys. And yes, I mean, if Bitcoin has a massive pullback, then unfortunately we can go and revisit these lows, right? We can, and that's fine. That's why we start to DCA into the market. But I do think that in the coming weeks, I mean, this is a daily. All you've got to do is move it to the weekly and look at the bigger picture. This looks like a ticking time bomb, guys, okay? First level of big resistance going to be around $10. You've even got some resistance here at around $7.20. I want to be front running that. So again, not financial advice. Do what the hell you want to do. But right now, everything's looking pretty good. Bitcoin dominance, I don't know if it's grinding up to 66% or if it's going to reject, but we're going to find out over the coming weeks. Right now, rejecting again at 64. So we'd like something like this to happen, guys. Right, we've got a high, then we got a lower high, and then we start to print lower lows, lower highs, right? Something like that, and then we go, meh, 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 meh. And that will be alt season, and ICP will gain a lot of market share. And we also are in the timing window for a pullback. So again, if Bitcoin dominance stays high and it continues to grind up, then in this pullback, our altcoins like ICP are not going to fare so well. But if we do pull back for Bitcoin and then Bitcoin dominance continues to go lower, that is an awful chart, then like I said, ICP should be on the cusp of a breakout. So it seems like a no-brainer. It's easier said than done to buy at these levels because you think, well, what if we go lower? Yeah, what if we do go lower and we retest the range lows, guys? You're getting another 20% off. But what is 20% off to a potential, 100% move to the MA and 100 and 200% move to that previous high? Risk to reward doesn't really make sense to me, right? To be waiting for 20% off. I think anywhere at the bottom or the apex of this wedge is just a no-brainer for ICP. So again, we're going to keep up to date with what happens the beginning of June. Is it going to be a sell the news event? We're going to find out soon, guys. But that's just a quick one on ICP, letting you guys know that I'm ready to buy some more. Are you buying more? Have you bought any more? What's your average price? Let me know in the comments. If you've made it this far, like up the video, subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace.